Hey family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Mpho. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys yet another opportunity to start making money online. As you can tell by the title, in today's video, we're going to be looking at 4 ways in which you can start earning passive income with Honeygain. Now, without wasting any more time, let's just dive into today's video. Today's video, we're going to be looking at this website. As I've said, the website is called Honeygain. Here it says passive income effortlessly. With Honeygain, you make money by simply sharing your internet. Start earning now. You can also look at their reviews on Trustpilot so that you can understand what other users are experiencing on Honeygain. They also have this video right here that explains what is Honeygain, how they're going to use your internet bandwidth, and also how much you can potentially earn. As we go down, we've got this paragraph here that says easy way to earn passive income online, right? They've got this paragraph that you can read to understand more details about earning passive income. As we go down below, here it says and without compromising security. They also have a paragraph that you can read. You can also come on the learn more button, click there and find more information. As we go down below, here it says know exactly what your internet is for. They've got a paragraph and they've got the learn more button that has more information about what they do with your internet. As we go to the bottom, I'm going to be doing an estimation of how much you can potentially earn. Please take note that you need to come on this website with the right expectations. Your earnings directly depend on the amount of traffic you share with Honeygain's network. The more you share, the more you will earn, right? So here, let's say, for example, you are sharing 2 gigabytes daily, right, of one IP address, ne? And then maybe you are sharing a content delivery of 4 hours. You can potentially earn $19 per month. Let's say you increase your traffic shared daily, you increase it to 5 gigabytes with 2 IP recommended, right? You can potentially earn $46 per month, given that you have a content delivery of 4 hours daily, right? And then it can go all the way up to 20 gigabyte daily. You share 20 gigabytes daily of traffic with 10 IP recommended, and let's say you share about 16 hours of content delivery daily. You can potentially earn $183 per month. If you're going to be sharing a content delivery of 24 hours, you can earn $184 per month. Given that you've got 10 IP recommended, you share 20 gigabytes daily, and you've got 24 hours daily of content delivery, right? Your earnings is influenced by the following factors. As you can see here, it says factors that influence how much you earn. First one is location. So your location will determine how much you earn. Here it says your earnings depend on the traffic demand required by our business client as well as the number of users in your area, right? Number two says the number of IP addresses. So here it says the more IP addresses your device are connected to, the more you earn, right? And then here it says network speed. It further says to hit the sweet spot, aim for a speed of 50 Mbps and a ping of 50 ms. For more details, feel free to refer to our help page. So this is the help page that they are referring to. You simply come here. You simply come to this button right here. This is the help page that they're going to refer you to. This is the chatbot, but they later going to refer you to their help page, right? And then as we go to the bottom, there are 5 steps to get started with Honeygain. The first step, you need to set up your account. By setting up your account means that you need to install the Honeygain app into your phone. Whether be it an Android or a iOS phone, it is available for those two service providers. You also can install it on your PC or on your laptop, right? It's available for Windows, Mac OS, and also Linux, right? And then here it says run Honeygain. It further says once active, Honeygain securely shares your internet connection, never gaining access to your personal data. So your personal data is always protected. And then number 3 says let it gather. It further says Honeygain uses your internet connection to gather bits of information that's publicly available online. They don't gather information that's not publicly available online, or they don't gather your personal data, right? And then number 4 says help businesses. It further says credible companies use this data for web statistics, price comparison, and other verified business processes. Last but not least, get paid. Here it says users earn money for all the traffic they share and can choose to receive payouts in PayPal or crypto. Now we know that their cash out option is PayPal and crypto. Oh yeah, this is the help page that you will need to go to if you want to find information about network speed. You simply come to the bottom of the page to this page right here. And then as we go down, this is where you get started. Here it says ready to make sweet money. It only takes 5 minutes to start earning with Honeygain. You can download it into your Windows, your Mac OS, your Android, your Linux, or your iOS device. I'm going to leave the links down below so that you guys can get started, but I'm going to log into my dashboard so that I can show you guys the 4 ways to start earning. After logging into my dashboard, I'm directed to a page like this. This is the amount that I was able to gather ever since I joined Honeygain, right? And then for today, I was able to gather 10 credit, which is 33 MB collected, or I've shared 33 MB traffic. And then I've got a content delivery of 2 hours, which gave me 16.30 credits. And I won 10 credits from the Lucky Pots, which is going to be available after 9 hours, right? So for you to end with the Lucky Pot, you need to at least share 15 MB per day and win up to 10,000 Honeygain credits, right? So this is the random winnings. You can win 10 credits, you can win 100 credits, you can win all the way up to maybe 300 or even 10,000 credits, right? So I want to show you 4 ways in which you can start earning. As you can see right here, I've got 3 ways in which you can start earning. The first one being gathering. So this is them gathering information. The second one being content delivery. The third one being winnings. So this is how the gathering information looks like. This will all depend on how much internet or traffic you share with them. And then we're going to move on to content delivery. Content delivery is not available all the time. So as you can see here, there was a period where content delivery was not available, and it started getting available on the 26th of October and 27 and 28 of October. But from the 6th of October all the way up to the 25th of October, there was no content delivery for me. So number 3 is winnings. So we click here on winnings, and then it's going to show me how much I was able to win. And if you miss a day, unfortunately, your okay, let me explain this. So with the winnings, you can open the lucky pots every day, and if you open the lucky pots every day for, let's say, 14 days, you're going to win 50 credits. Let's say you open the lucky pots for 21 days, you're going to win this gold pot right here that says 150 credits. So you can win 150 credits if you open the honey or the lucky pot for 21 days straight. This is the one that I'm talking about, right? Here it says open the lucky pot 21 days in a row. Don't miss any day to complete. So if you miss a day, unfortunately, it's going to go back to number one, right? And then count all over again. But if you don't miss a day for 21 days, you're going to claim 150 credits, right? So that's another way you can start earning to increase your earnings. And then another way you can start earning, it is by referrals. It is by inviting people to the website so that they can earn you passive income. So here it says invite and get rewarded. How does it work? Invite friends with your referral. Your friend has to join Honeygain and earn at least 2 gigabytes in order for you to get a 500 Honeygain credit, right? What does the friend get if they use my link? So here, the friend will earn $5 starter gift, right? The person that uses my link or the person that will be using your link, if you share it in different social media platform, that person will earn 500 I mean $5 starter gift, and you will earn 500 Honeygain credits, and you will also have a commission of 10% bonus on their earnings. So it's a win-win situation. If you use my link, you get $5 and I get 500 credit, given that you're going to be having, given that you're going to earn at least 2 gigabytes um, data, or you're going to share traffic of 2 gigabytes in data. So yes, guys, this is the website for today. Thank you guys for watching. Until the next video, take care.